Understanding, can I help you? A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase. Can I help you? This phrase is used daily in English-speaking countries, and understanding it can really help you in various situations. So, let's dive in. Can I help you? Is a polite question used to offer assistance. It's often used in customer service situations, like in stores or restaurants, where employees might approach customers with this question. However, it's not limited to just these scenarios. This phrase can be used in any context where someone wishes to offer help or support. The key here is the intent to assist. This phrase is used in both formal and informal settings. You might hear it. In stores, a salesperson approaches and asks, "Can I help you find something?" In offices, a colleague might say, "Can I help you with that report?" In public, if someone looks lost, you might offer help by asking, "Can I help you?" Remember, your tone of voice and body language are important. They should match the helpful and friendly nature of the phrase. There are several ways to respond, depending on whether you need help or not. If you need assistance, you can say, "Yes, please, I'm looking for, that would be great, thank you. I need help with." If you don't need help, you can politely decline by saying, "No, thank you. I'm just browsing. I'm good, thanks for asking." It's always good to be polite in your response, whether accepting or declining the offer. Can I help you? Is more than just a question. It's a polite offer of assistance and a sign of good manners in English-speaking cultures. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily interactions. Remember, practicing these small interactions can greatly improve your English skills. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.